Hello, this is me, Tank Textbook of English for Class 1, and you're watching my channel Learn with Shirin Khazi. Let us write. Look at the picture and fill in the words from the boxes. Dance, hop, skip, slip, bend, jump, eat. This is hop, H-O-P, hop, skip, S-K-I-P, skip, bend, B-E-N-D, bend, dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance, jump, J-U-M-P, jump, eat, E-E-A-T, eat. हॉप, ये हॉप है. स्किप, बेंड, डांस, जंप, ईट. Write the missing letter to complete each word. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Dog, D-O-G, dog. 10, T-E-N, 10. Star, S-T-A-R, star. Bus, B-U-S, bus. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Jug, J-U-G, jug. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Letter sounds. K, K, cattle. Kite, key. L, L, leaf. Lion, lemon. M, M, mouth. Mango, mouse. N, N, nine. Nest, nose. O, owl. Ox, orange. Notice the initial sound of the words in each row. Find the odd one out. This is cap. This is mouse. Mango. M for mouse. M for mango. Cap is odd one. Lion. Lamb. Hand. Hand is odd one. L for lion. L for lamb. N for nest. N for 9. 6 is odd one. Letter sound. P, pencil. Pot, parrot. Q, question mark. Quilt, quill. R, rainbow. Rose, ring. S, spoon. Swan, 7. T, 10. Tomato, table. Say the words aloud. Circle the picture with different starting sound. The first one is done for you. This is F, fish. F, fox. And F, feather. So C is cap. Odd one is cap. A different one. Then B for bee, B for bell, and B for balloon. T for tomato is the different sound word. H for hand, H for house, H for horse. E for ant is different. Then P for pen, P for pot, P for parrot, W for watches, different. So that was end of that lesson, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Learn with Shirin Kazi.